Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Payoneer account step by step in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, Amazon, eBay seller, or someone looking to receive international payments, this guide is for you. Start by visiting www.payoneer.com. Be careful to use the official site to avoid phishing or scam pages. Then select your language from here. Then click the register button, or you can also click open your account. Now, let's find the right account for your needs. Here are the options: freelancer or online professional, information technology consultant or digital service provider, BPO or a call center, e-commerce or business to business seller, affiliate marketers, other businesses. Pick the one that best describes how you plan to use Payoneer. For most users, freelancers or online sellers works best. Click on it. Now, let's find the right account and then double check for any spelling errors because this will be verified later. Now, what do you want? Like receive money from international clients or freelance marketplace, paying family or friend. Click on that from here. Now, what do you want from here? Like US dollar, I am just starting out. $0 or $100, just starting out. Plus, then click the wait a minute. Then click register button. Enter your email address. I'll copy my email address from my inbox. Then click next. Now go to your inbox and copy the authentication code, which is 6 digit. Then enter code here. Then click next. Now enter your business information. If you are a businessman, just click yes, I own or represented a registered business, or not, click no. Then give a name, your first name and last name. Then click next. Now choose your location or country name, like click the arrow icon, then select your country from here. Then click next after selecting your country. Now add your mobile number, then create a strong password, and that's it. In the next step, you will need to add your bank account information where Payoneer will Send your money. Enter your then log into your account. Click sign in. Once you are in, go to card section or pay. Then you will pay with pay to a recipient's Payoneer account, pay to a recipient's bank account, pay an Amazon advertising invoice. Go to get paid option. You can use receiving accounts like USD, Euro, GBP, etc. Then click withdraw and convert. Then withdraw to bank. Then click add bank account. Now select your country again. Then select currency. Then next. Now enter your bank name. Enter your beneficiary name. Sorry. Enter your branch name. Like that. Then enter your whole account holder name, account number, ID type like your passport or national ID card. Then I enter your ID number. Then click icon from the bank account details above. Then click next. Then finally add bank account and follow the instructions. And now you will see a summary of everything you entered. Review it carefully, then click submit. Before you start using the account, go to settings and security settings. And set up two-factor authentication verification. Also go to bank accounts to double check that your payout destination is correct. And that's it. You now have a working Payoneer account in 2025. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below if you need help linking to a marketplace or withdrawing funds.